With 29 medals, India at Paralympics stood on the edge of history in Paris. But this happened because of Tokyo Paralympics. Tokyo walked, so Paris could run. A point in history where India caught the Paralympic bus. The Tokyo Paralympics witnessed Indian athletes raise their standards like never before. With 5 golds, 8 silvers and 6 bronze, the 19 medals India won comprised more than 60% of the country's overall Paralympic Games medal tally since it began in 1968. This is obviously before Paris Paralympics happened. Only once before had India won multiple gold medals at the Olympics or Paralympics, 2 golds at the Rio Paralympics. This record was blown away as the contingent at Tokyo won a total of 5 gold medals to enter uncharted territory. It didn't just end with that. Out of 5 golds, 2 were attached to world records. Sumit Until in the para javelin throw F64 category went past his own world record set before the games in each of his 5 legal throws. On the other hand, Avni Lekhara equaled the world record in parachuting women's R2 10-meter air rifle SH1 category to become the first woman to win a gold medal for India at the games. Alongside Avni, Manish Narwal won India's second shooting gold medal at the Paralympics in the mixed P4 50-meter pistol SH1 category with an impressive score in the final that broke the Paralympic record. The other 2 gold medals were by Pramod Bhagat and Krishna Nagar in their respective events in para badminton, a sport which never saw an Indian win a medal at the games before. Along with para badminton, para table tennis and para archery were also added to the list of sports in which India won a medal for the first time ever. India also won 7 more medals in athletics, barring Sumit's gold, thus making it the most successful campaign in athletics as well. With multiple medals in para badminton and parachuting, India were able to finish 24th in overall medal tally, their highest ever in the Paralympics before Paris 2024. In the Paris Paralympics, India not only built on the foundation set by the Tokyo Games by sending its largest contingent ever with 84 athletes led by flag bearers Sumit Until and Bhagyashree Jadhav. The entire bunch dared to do better than their incredible achievement from the Tokyo Paralympics, finally going past the 25-meter mark and records registered in history.